Dude.
We're going camping. You already knew that. Anyways, on the drive there, we ran into a road closed sign. We were hungry, there was no food in this little town, and beyond the signs, there was a festival. So we decided to get out of the truck, check out this festival, and get some food. The tacos were delicious, the coffee was grand, then we had to make a little pull off to check out something crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, I just tried to go in here to get my drone. This is what we're working with in here. There's just stuff everywhere in here. This is what happens when you go camping with your family. I'm filming you. I'm filming you.
I'm filming you.
I'm filming you.
I'm filming you.
Okay, so apparently Seth found a groundhog or a raccoon. Dang, dude.
So sick, right? I told you.
Chilling, dude.
I was like, I know if I go back over there, he'll be coming out.
He's got the setup.
He was chilling.
All right, we're on dirt, going to the campsite.
Yay!
Yay!
Hopefully those beers are not clashing into each other.
Man.
Shattering back there.
Yeah, this is gonna be a bumpy road.
Should we check them?
I would, because we're gonna have a bunch of broken glass.
Jeez, yeah, that's not gonna be good.
All right.
Huh. None of them are broken. They're all pretty bubbly.
All right, so we're about to head up this super long, rocky, bumpy road all the way up the mountain. It probably climbs another 2,000, 3,000 feet all the way to the top. And up there, you can do dispersed camping. And there's a giant little field, and it's gonna be super sick. There's also wild ponies up there. So we're gonna probably see some wild ponies today. And I'm excited about that. And also up there, people do horseback riding. We already saw one guy with a trailer that parked at the start of the road because this road's pretty rough. There's horses, dude, already. There's people with horses. We gotta wait for them to go around us here.
Hey, how are you?
Hello. This is gonna be a long drive. We have, it says 3.3 miles left.
Really?
And we're going 2 miles an hour, so this thing is actually doing pretty good. No low-hanging trees so far. We're definitely gonna have to check the tie downs once we get up there because this is a very bumpy road. But other than that, I'm pretty excited to be putting it, you know, to the test a little bit. Right. Yeah, that should be good. We are all at camp and we're getting set up right now. This is kind of the only place right now that is open and has fire rings and stuff. There's tons of people over here. As you can see, there's tons of other campers up here. We even have some people over there. So this is our only spot. We'll see how we do. All right, actually guys, we are pretty much level. We're tilted 1 degree this way. That's what the truck says, but everything else is actually pretty level. All right. Open all these. Let it breathe in here, man. Much better. As you saw, there's like tons of horses up here. There's horseback riding, and I knew this, so I brought something to kind of like match the vibe a little bit. I'll show you right here. Howdy, partner. Oh, we both got him on. We should do a photo shoot, yeah? Yeah, dude. Looking like a cowboy. Gosh dang it, it's a freaking wasp in here. No, he's getting stuck in the thing. All right, we caught it in a cup. Hold on. What we're gonna do is get a piece of paper because he's mad now.
Got him.
So I just destroyed it. I just destroyed the graham cracker box for no reason. All right, guys, we are on a mission. We're gonna go find some firewood. Shine's coming with. The whole crew's going.
That's like no give, dude. Yeah, okay, it's not going nowhere.
We are determined. Why are we so determined for this one though?
We're about to see Rome fall right here, boys. Oh! Yeah, boy! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. You guys are doing a really good job.
Yeah, while we were doing that, Seth got the mega load here. Okay.
You guys are gonna be surprised how much I got over there too. Howdy!
I need a wheelbarrow.
For sure.
Yeah.
We could use a horse.
You got firewood, boys. God dang, this is heavy. This cowboy hat's giving me like plus 10 pounds. Oh my God. I can't see where I'm walking. This is heavy. I got a cowboy hat on. I can't even turn the camera off. I dropped some. You better not close that gate, you rascal. Woo!
Everybody's gonna see you one, and then they're gonna see Ryan pull up with the damn 50-pounder behind you. You've got a lot more up here than you would ever be able to carry.
Yeah, no, that's a good idea. Okay, guys, it is time to make food. In last video, of course, well, I wasn't the best at making steak. Okay, I'm not a cook, but today, obviously, I have my sister. She's a chef, professional chef, and she works in a Michelin star. No?
I just work in my kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, she's better than me. All right, guys, so we're mic'd up now, so you can hear us better.
Hey, how you doing?
I think. Right now, what are we doing?
I'm just breaking the beef up, and then
Okay.
I'm gonna put some seasoning on it. You wanna grab that for me?
I gotta turn the propane on.
Propane?
Propane.
Wait, why?
Are we using the stove?
No, I was gonna use the fire for everything.
Everything? Oh, dude, we're getting primal. I guess we're cooking everything on the fire.
The beef is good enough to go cook.
Jiffy quick.
Hey.
What is a tater? Potatoes? Cut them up, put them in a stew.
We needs a few good taters.
What's taters, precious? What's taters, eh?
Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
Sure, we can swap places real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Liquid in this, so I'm gonna need to open it.
See the white hot? I got it. Look at how fast it's cooking, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of water in there, some oil. Shine.
Party
Butterfingers. We all saw you go like this with it.
Cooking it up, dude. You're cooking it up. Let me rock some of this steak.
Warm and
Let me try some.
Yeah, it's good. It's pretty good.
Cowboy Levi trying the meat.
Hell yeah.
Where's the beef?
There you go, guys.
Look at that, guys.
That's so good.
Oh, Cowboy Levi was fun, but now it's cozy Levi time. Oh man.
Extra juices up on top of it.
That looks so good, guys. I'm a big fan of the celery. I'm just slapping my All right, guys, good morning. It is morning time. I slept pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I slept pretty good. These two and this guy didn't seem to fare well last night. It was so windy. As soon as we went to bed, the wind, for some reason, just started picking up really, really bad.
Levi just turned his TV up a little louder so that he didn't have to hear any wind.
Yeah.
Put his feet back in the tub.
Turned my heater back on.
Yeah.
Nah, dude, I felt so bad because I know what it's like to sleep in a tent in the wind. If you ever slept in a tent in a windstorm or when it's windy out, you know what I'm saying. I know what's gonna wake us up. Coffee. Let some light in here, man. It's like a cave. We used the jet boil for butter last night, so hopefully it's not buttery. I did clean it, but it doesn't smell like anything anymore. Morning.
Hey, good morning. It was so warm in here.
Yeah.
This looks nice though. This is our old broken one. Our new one's actually bigger than this one, if you believe it.
I think it worked out good.
Yeah. Take a first sip. Not bad.
A little less than that. Maybe we turn the fan on.
Egg time. Boom. It's pretty standard, pretty good though. Put some hot sauce on this. We got some Cholula. While we were eating, it got like super cloudy and kind of moody and cold out here. We got some longhorn, a herd of longhorn that came over here.